Welcome back to DoorKing Tech Tips. Today we will be looking at how to add a device number to a resident in the DKS cloud. Let's get started. To add a device to a resident, we must first navigate to the resident screen. This is done by clicking the plus sign next to your account folder, then click on Resident. Now in the resident screen, you will need to select the resident you would like to add the device number to. Then in the top toolbar, click on Add Device to get the Add Device form below. With the Add Device form now open, you should be able to add the 5-digit number of the resident's remote or card in the device number box. Or if using a Weekend keypad, create a 5-digit PIN for the resident. With the device number now entered, you can add a note to go with this device to help identify it later. Typical notes might be remote, card, or if the number is for an additional family member, you might put their name in the notes for that device. Once you have finished adding your device number, be sure to click the Add button below to save your entry. With the device added, you should now see the device under the resident's assigned devices. With your information entered, click Save on the resident form to finish editing the resident, or to add another device, click Add DEV in the top toolbar. All that's left now is to send the data to your system. To do this, go to Action, then Send Data. And we'll see you next time for more DoorKing Tech Tips.